Hello, welcome to the Food Funda. Today I will make a very healthy and delicious dish that is called Khandvi. It comes from Gujarat, a state on the western part of India. It is made using gram flour, that is why it is gluten free as well as rich in proteins. I will not use any oil in this dish, and so it is oil free. Now this dish has become very popular throughout India. Now let us see how do we make Khandvi. Ingredients required are finely chopped coriander leaves, they are also called cilantro, 2 tablespoons, gram flour 1 cup, yogurt 1 cup, preferably sour yogurt, grated carrot 2 tablespoons. I add it as it is healthy and gives slightly sweet flavor and beautiful color to the dish. Salt to taste, shredded coconut, fresh coconut 2 tablespoons, 2 or 3 split green chilies, hing or asafoetida 1 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, red chili powder optional half teaspoon, haldi or turmeric powder half teaspoon, and 2 cups of water. I will now blend together gram flour, yogurt and water. We can blend all these things manually too, but I am using a blender. The main purpose is that no lumps should be there. I will now season it with hing or asafoetida. I will add half teaspoon hing and salt to taste. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. It gives a nice yellow color to the dish. Blend everything properly. We will take a heavy bottom pan and place it on medium heat. Pour the content of blender in it and start stirring. Initially we can cook on medium heat. The mixture has started to thicken now. We should continuously stir, else lumps will be formed. When the mixture starts thickening, we should cook on low heat, else it would burn from the bottom. After about 10 minutes of cooking, mixture has thickened further. In the meantime, we have to prepare a surface where we will set the khandvi. Traditionally, smooth backs of steel plates or trays are used. We can also set it on granite or marble surface. I have cooked for about 15 minutes. Now I will show you how to check whether it is done. I will spread a small amount of mixture at the back of a plate and leave it for a few minutes. Lots of patience is required while making khandvi. I will now check if the mixture has set on the plate. I am trying to lift the mixture with a knife, but it's not coming out, it's sticking to the surface. That means it is not done yet. Now see, it has thickened a lot, it has become almost ribbon-like and it cannot be thickened further. So now I will stop cooking and will spread it on a smooth surface. I have a marble tabletop and I will spread it on that. There is no need to grease the surface. See, I have not applied any oil. I have just started spreading. Only the required condition is that the surface should be smooth. With a knife, I am trying to smoothen the spread that I have done. We can use anything that is flat. We can use a flat ladle or anything to spread it properly. Time is of essence here. If the mixture cools down, it will solidify and then we will not be able to spread it and it will go waste. So we have to spread everything quickly. See, it has already started solidifying. The most important factor in making this dish is to know till how long you have to cook the mixture, how much the mixture should be cooked. If you rush with it and quickly start setting, it will not set. It will make soggy khandvi and everything will go waste. I'm using a knife to cut ribbons of about 2 inches width. I will cut it from the center as well so that each ribbon is around 5 inches long. I will spread coconut, carrots and coriander leaves. Even we can use small pieces of green chilies. Now slowly we will roll these ribbons. I will place it in a serving dish. See, it is coming out so easily. I have not greased the surface, but it's still coming out. I will suggest when you make it first time, take only half of the quantity. That is, reduce everything to half. Use half cup of ground flour, half cup yogurt and so on. I'm sure you will try again if everything doesn't come out well first time. After all, practice makes a man perfect. It took me 2-3 attempts to make good khandvi. After this, we have to temper it. I have heated the pan and have directly added mustard seeds to it. I have not used any oil or ghee. Once seeds start splattering, add split green chilies and hing. It's done. Spread the tempering on khandvi. Also add desiccated coconut, carrot and coriander leaves, cilantro. Khandvi is ready. This dish is taken as a side dish, but we can have it as snack also, along with tea or with alcoholic drinks as well. To read and save the recipe, visit my blog thefoodfunda.com. For latest updates, please subscribe to this channel.